So for number 4, looking at the table, well, in the table, I must have not have fixed that one because it says f of 2, and, well, I'm not looking at it, and there is no 2 there, and I would have anticipated that to be the case. So I think I forgot to change it around. So let's go ahead and say that that should have been, say, negative 16 compared to negative 16. That was not my intention off of that. So it should be f of negative 16. So when I look at f of negative 16, I see that I have right here negative 16. So I want to compare negative 16 to that. And then on the g of x function, I want to plug in negative 16 for x. 0.5 times negative 16 is, well, negative 8. And negative 8 minus 8 is then negative 16. So it happens to be equal to one another. The slope, I want to go through and check my change in the y's. We are increasing by 8. So the slope is the change in the y's over change in the x's, which in this case is 8, positive 8, over here we are increasing by 16. And 8 over 16 reduces down to a half. I want to compare a half there to the slope. The slope over here, I can just look at it and say, oop, boom, it's right there at 0.5. So 1/2 to 1/2 is, well, equal. The y-intercept is occurs when x is 0. So I'm going to look at the x-axis. Sorry, I'm going to go look at the x column. And right here is that's happening. X is 0, so the y-intercept is negative 8. I can look at the function g of x and say, boom, right there, that is the y-intercept at negative 8. So far, they're equal. Okay. And then lastly, the x-intercept is occurring when y is 0. So I look at the y column and see when it's 0, and I see right there, 16 comma 0 is my x-intercept. So 16 compared to, let's go do the x-intercept. All right, I'm going to have to set, again, y to 0 and solve for x. I'm going to add that 8 to the other side and divide by 0.5. Go to your calculator and type in 8 divided by 0.5, and 8 divided by 0.5 gives you 16. So the x-intercept is 16, and, well, we have an equal sign. And what happened on this problem was, actually, the table was that function. So that's that function written into table form, okay? All right.